Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Ty, and this is going to be kind of like a farewell flight to my my old radio. This is the QX7S. I've been using this for about 2 years. Good radio, but it just doesn't feel very comfortable in my hand. As well as I've been practicing a lot of pinch lately, and it just hasn't. I just don't really like the way it feels. So I'm going to be switching over to the TBS Tango 2. This is going to be my new daily driver, and this QX7 is going to go in the box of all the broken tiny whoops. So I hope you guys enjoy.
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, how you react to me. So much differently. I am different. Every time that I look back, I see my fortune. Would you react to me? We are guilty. So much differently. Doubted all that I could do, knowing what I need to do. All I can say, the word is thank you. I think it's what you need to push away from the shore, amongst the waves, exactly where I wanna be. I am where I wanna be. Remember the start.
All right, so my grandfather, he has dementia, and I take care of him pretty much full time here. And I knocked this fence post over and laid this fence down so I could fly through this spot right here. And he put it back up, but I didn't know it. So the first time when I came through here and I hit the fence, I was really confused, but I thought I just was too low. But now I understand that this whole fence right here was put back up, and it used to not be. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed that flight, and with that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video. Fly safe.
When my future needed clarity, yes I